Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is three waves up for a W, three waves down for an X. I believe we're in a three-way pattern to the upside right now for a wave Y. A, B, C of wave Y is what I expect to see. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe that this over here is an uptrend for the wave A of wave Y. I believe this is a WXY for the wave B of Y. And I think this is a 1 of C, a 2 of C, and this is very likely going to continue up, eventually making a wave 3 of C, a wave 4 of C, and a wave 5 of wave C. Because a wave Y should be an ABC on sort of time frames, and the wave C of wave Y should be a trend, just like the wave A of wave Y was a trend. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that this is personally an uptrend right here for the 1. I think this is a crescent for the 2. It definitely looks like with this break of structure that we have the end of a wave 2. Now maybe it will make a bigger pullback. Maybe even we test this high right here. This top could become a bottom. And then I think it's very likely that it will just keep on going up in a wave 3 of wave C. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we really don't have a break of structure to the downside yet on the daily or the 4 hour. So I definitely am looking for longs. I mean, this is a pretty strong move to the downside, but as you can see, no break of structure tells me that I'm definitely still looking for a long. If I see three waves down, if I see impulsive up, especially if I can identify the end of this trend on like the 1 hour time frame range, the end of this possible wave C trend that is, then that is definitely going to be an entry for me to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. I still think this looks like a wave A. I definitely still see this as three waves up for a wave B. And this does resemble a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So if it does pull back and make a big engulfing move to the upside at this Fibonacci level, then I would definitely at that point call it a wave C, and I would definitely at that point take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. For me, I am definitely looking for longs unless it goes down and breaks this structure right here. I am for sure looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. Like I said, I believe that we're in a wave C right now on like the weekly and monthly time frame, and we have a lots and lots and lots of upside potential. So I think we're going to have lots of opportunities to go long on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.